My name is Arslan and please subscribe the channel for best wishes. Certainly. The code you provided appears to be a Python script that uses the spaCy library for natural language processing to extract named entities, entities like names of people, organizations, locations, etc., from a dataset and analyze them. Below is an explanation of the code. Import libraries. The script begins by importing the necessary libraries, including spaCy, pandas, and NumPy. It also loads a spaCy English model, n_core_web_sm, for named entity recognition. Load dataset. The code reads a dataset from a CSV file named CraigListOtherStates.csv into a pandas data frame. This dataset presumably contains text data. CraigListOtherStates.csv has the following columns: main URL, city, latitude, city, longitude, URL, city, title, job description, compensation, etc. Entity extraction. The last 4,800 entries of the title column in the dataset are concatenated into a single string and stored in the variable last_inserted_id. spaCy SNA model is applied to this concatenated text using NA, and stored in the variable text1. Named entity extraction and analysis. Two empty lists, A and B, are created to store the extracted entity words and their corresponding labels, respectively. A loop iterates through the entities extracted from the text1 object. For each entity, the entity text and label are appended to the lists A and B. Two pandas data frames, df2 and df3, are created to store the words and their corresponding labels. The vertical_stack variable is used to concatenate df2 and df3 vertically to form a single data frame with two columns, words and values. Visualization. The code uses spaCy's displaycy.render function to visualize the extracted entities with their labels in the text. The entities are highlighted in the text. Explanation of labels. The script prints explanations for various entity labels using spaCy.explain function. These explanations describe what each label represents. For example, it prints explanations for labels like FAC, facility, org, organization, GPE, geopolitical entity, and others. Overall, the code reads a dataset, extracts named entities from a portion of the text, and visualizes these entities with their labels using spaCy. It also provides explanations for the entity labels to help users understand what they represent. Thank you. Bye bye.